Let's chat levels on the index. Kunal Bothra and Nooresh Merani right here joining in. Kunal, is it going to be green, red, or just blue in terms of sentiment for the markets?
Absolutely, it's going to be blue in terms of market sentiment as well as in terms of World Cup. Now, on the indices, it's in the last couple of days, what we've seen is two different types of index movements. One, of course, was that sudden knee-jerk volatility which had come back into the indices, and then a steady build-up over the last 1 or 2 days, where the index managed to come back about that 90,800 mark broadly on the spot levels. Now, interestingly, the only missing part over the last 2 days is the lack of follow-through for many of the large cap names as well as sectors. So I think if you look at it broadly, there's hardly any major comeback from those larger cap stocks on a more breakout basis, rather than any kind of a major recovery or follow through, which we tend to expect when the market gets into a trending mode. Also on the indices front, we've been trading into this range of 19,300 to 19,700. So I'm expecting that hopefully in the second half of the session today, if we see some bit of recovery and if we close above 19,700 mark on the spot levels, we would still maintain that bullish stance on the indices. So I think that's the important support to watch out for, especially after such a kind of a minor gap down opening of 150 plus points.
All right, Nooresh, what is it that you're chanting apart from, of course, India winning when it comes to the markets?
So in terms of market, we are still finding this range, basically 19,300, 500 on the downside. Ideally, 19,500, 550 should hold on. And similarly, on the upper end, we are not able to sustain this 1970, 750, 19,800 mark. And also the fact that there are a lot of results over the next 2 weeks, which is where we'll see a lot of volatility, stock by stock, sector by sector. So focusing more on the mid caps and the broader end of the market. Overall, the bias still remains positive, but time to be more selective.